Outdoor carpets provide an excellent way to enhance your outdoor living spaces while delivering practical benefits. These products are engineered specifically to handle the challenges of outdoor environments. The materials used in outdoor carpets set them apart from indoor options. Manufacturers craft these carpets from durable materials like nylon, polypropylene, and olefin. These fabrics resist water damage and UV rays from sunlight. The specialized backing enhances durability and provides support in high-traffic areas. Advanced fabric technology repels stains, and treated fibers prevent spills from soaking in. This makes cleaning straightforward, even in busy outdoor settings. Installation flexibility is a key advantage. Many outdoor carpets feature peel and stick backing, turning installation into a manageable DIY project. You can also use glue for more permanent applications. Modern carpet squares fit together like puzzle pieces, allowing you to create unique designs. These squares work well for spaces where you might want to change layouts frequently. Proper fitting is crucial to avoid gaps and ensure the carpet stays secure over time. The products come in a wide range of sizes, from small rugs to large area coverings, accommodating everything from cozy corners to expansive patios. Design versatility gives you creative control over your outdoor spaces. The variety of colors and patterns ranges from vibrant hues that create lively atmospheres to subtle shades that promote serenity. Bold patterns can make a statement, while softer textures blend seamlessly with existing outdoor decor and furniture. Strategic placement can visually enlarge spaces, create distinct areas within a larger outdoor room, and guide the eye to add depth. The reusability of carpet squares lets you experiment with different patterns and arrangements without commitment. Safety features make outdoor carpets practical for families. The soft, stable surface minimizes the risk of slips and falls. These materials resist mold and mildew growth, maintaining a healthier environment. The comfortable walking surface protects feet and contributes to overall outdoor safety for both family members and guests. Quality materials ensure these carpets resist fading despite variable weather conditions. The durability reduces the need for frequent replacements, making them a smart investment. Prices vary based on material size and design, with competitive options available to fit different budgets. Proper installation and maintenance help ensure your outdoor carpet remains in excellent condition, maintaining its fresh appearance for years while transforming your outdoor areas with both style and functionality.